Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to show you a list of 15 open source programs that you can join. So as you can see here that this is a list that I created, and basically some of the programs will be internship or contest, but most of them are the open source program that you can join, and they will pay you at the end also if you won this program. Alright, so let's start from the first one. So the first one is the Google Summer of Code. So if I show you the link, so as you can see here that this is the website of it. So basically this is the 2023 program, and if I scroll down and show you the learn more option, you can see that it will show you that how it works, apply, code and share, and these are the contributors, these are the organizations that are currently closed. So basically if I am aware of this, it may be closed now, but you can apply for the next year. And this is the timeline of it, that basically full-time program timeline in which the program will be announced, and after that application period, review period, and at the end if you scroll down you can see that the results will be announced. So this is a whole process that it is showing you, and you can join it and it will give you a stipend also if you want this program. So now the next thing is where the MLH fellowship program. So this is also an internship program that you can join, and it will also pay you so much money. So as you can see here that this is the jobs and internship. If I click on this MLH fellowship, you can see that this is the apply now button. Let's click on this. So it's a 12-week program. As you can see here that this is the deadline of it, and this is the form that you can fill, and after that they will it will ask you to the application will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes to complete. So this is a huge process, but you need to complete it, and they will take those people who are seriously dedicated in open source, not just random people. All right, so you need to prepare for this, or you need to do some open source contribution before so that you can apply for it. And these are some of the deadlines here that you can check them out. And if I go to the previous link, you can see this is a 12-week internship in which participants or the projects from all over the world will be present, and you can learn a lot from this. All right, so if I go through down here, you can see you can check the frequently asked questions also. So any questions that you have, they will answer you from here. You can see here. So now let's take a look at the the third one, and the third one is the Outreachy. So this is also a program that will pay you about $7,000, and this is a 3-month internship. This is a remote and 3-month internship starting from May to August or December to March. So as you can see here that this is the May internship that is these are some of the accepted interns that you can check them out. And after that, and these are some of the other dates that will be announced. And as you can see here, the May 2024, and this is the December 2024. So they are launching this program 2 times a week, from May to August and from December to March. And if I show you, most of the people that will be taken as will be women, and some of them will be transgender, and they are 12% from people historically disadvantaged caste or tribe, and 64% of people of color. So you can apply for this, and if you got selected, then they will also pay you. And as you can see here, these are some of the most trusted organizations that are sponsoring this internship. And after that, the next thing is the Rails Girls Summer of Code. So you can join this also if you take a look at this. Yeah, so this is about Rails Girls Summer of Code, and these are some of the these are some of the documentation that you can read it, and after that you will know that how you can apply it, you become a student, become a sponsor, and all these things are given here. You can contact with them also, or you can find them on GitHub. So now the next thing is the Hacktoberfest. So this is also a famous program that is happening once a year on the month of October. So you can apply for this. Basically, and this is a 1-month program in which many companies will come, and you will be able to contribute there. And if you want, then you can earn a lot of stipend or t-shirts, etc. So yeah, the 2023 program is coming here. So this is month of May, and on the month of October this program will come. So now the next one is the Linux kernel mentorship program. So you can join this program also, in which many projects will be present here. And if I show you, you can see this is the Linux kernel mentorship program. You can read these things, and they will also pay you the stipend. And this is the earlier previous program that you can check them out. And these are the benefits for mentors and other things, benefit for Linux ecosystem, how to apply for this. If you take a look at this, you can see that this is the mentorship program that you can join it from here. And these are the mentorships that are, some of them are closed and some of them are open. Like you can see, this is the apply, that is okay, and these are the applications that are closed. If I show you the accepting applications, if I click on this, you will see that all the applications that are not closed yet, they will be shown here. You can apply to these programs like the mentorship or COBOL, etc. So you can join them according to your interest, and they will give you these deadlines so that you can apply them. So now let's close them. And after that, the next one is the IBM Call for Code. So this is a famous program, and it is not that much easy. Basically, you need to build a group of people. You need to have some group of people through which you can solve a problem. And this should be a real life problem, not just a simple problem. And with this problem you can solve something like the environment problem or the startup, any kind of problem that is currently faced. So in the word that you can solve them, and you can see here they will basically pay you around $100,000. And like you can see, these are the global challenges, call for code for startups, university programs, and racial justice. Some of the problems that are currently faced in the world, you can solve them with the help of code. So this is tough, but you need to, if you have a group of people who are passionate about solving these problems, you can apply for this. All right, so these are some of the other things also, like partner with us, open source projects, you can contribute there. These are some of the global challenges that you can apply to it, and these are some of the solutions that are provided in 2020-21. So these are all the things that you can read it. So now the next thing is, let's close this. The next program is the Code Heat. So if I show you, so this is also a program that you can join it. You can see register for Code Heat. If you want to learn more, you can learn from here, and if you want to sign up, you can sign up here. And after that, these are some of the people whom you can contact to. You can see here. And these are the mentors whom you can contact them also through social media. As you can see here, they are providing the link also. And this is the timeline that you can see it. As you can see, if you scroll down, you will see the timeline of it also. And these are the frequently asked questions that you can check them out. And the next program is the FOSS Asia. You can join this program also if you want to. So yeah, as you can see there, this will basically provide you internship program. If I scroll down, you will see these are all the talks, events that are currently happening. And let's scroll down, and as you can see here, this is the apply for internship. If you click on this, you will see that this is the internship program. It is about 2 to 6 months that you can join it, and these are some of the links that you can read it. And yeah, this is the timeline, deliverables, etc. All right, so all of the information will be given to you here, so you can fill this form, and after that you can apply for it. Now the next thing is the Girl script, so like a JavaScript or Girl script. So basically this is mostly maybe for girls, and this is a 3-month long open source program by Girl Script Foundation, starting from 20th May to 11th August 2023. So 23. So yeah, this is the program that you can join it, and these are some of the sponsors. Yeah, this is the journey that you can start. Yeah. This is the schedule that you can apply to it. This is how it will work, and if you have any questions, you can ask them, like will a beginner with absolute knowledge of GitHub gain anything fruitful? Yeah, definitely. So you can ask from them here through contact us page, or if you have any question, then you can ask them here also. After that, let's take a look at the Google Season of Dogs. So basically, if you are not trying to contribute on the coding side, you can contribute on the documentation side also. So this is a Google Season of Dogs that are mostly providing you the opportunity to contribute on the coding side of it. So you can click on this participant 2023 23 participants. You can check them out. As you can see here, these are the organizations, season for dogs, pages, budget, etc. project proposal that were approved, so you can contact them. Or if the session is now dead, if the session deadline has passed, you can you can apply for the next year. All right, so these are all the rules and regulations that you can check them out. Now the next thing is the Hyperledger mentorship program. So you can open it, and now you can see that this is also maybe a Linux, under the Linux Foundation. So yeah, and basically these are some of the program description that you can check this out, and these are the program dates that you can check them. You can see here, these are the program dates starting from February to August, and all these programs you can check them out. And these are the stipend that they will give to you, and you can ask them questions also if you have. All right, so now the next program is the Free Software Foundation. So this is also a program that will give you stipend, or these are the guidance that you can apply for it, May 21. And this is the schedule, this is the how to apply. This is the hiring@fsf.org, so that you can email them and they will give you this opportunity. And these are some of the past results, past links that you can check them out. So contributing to defensive by design JavaScript campaign, etc. All right, so all of the details will be available in this website. And after that, the next thing is the Kubernetes release team shadows. So if you open this, so by Kubernetes, you will also be getting some kind of a mentorship, or the program that is now given to you, release team shadows. As you can see here, that how to be a shadow, how to be a shadow, or this is the week 1 process, week 2 to 8, and after week 9 to 3. So yeah, this may be about 13 to 14 week program that you can join it, and all the details will be given to you like this here. All right. The next thing is the Apache Software Foundation. You can apply to this program also, and you can get involved in it. You can contribute to the community. These are the mailing lists that you can join it, and after that you can become a committer also if you want to. These are all the previous these are the people who can help you. If you take a look at them, you can see these are all the guidelines that will provide it to you. If you want to take a look at the people or the members, etc., you can check them out. You can see these are all the members, so that you can contact them, or these are the projects that are not completely listing. So you can check them out or ask the questions from the people who are participating in this. You can see here, these are the deceased members of the Apache Software Foundation. If you take a look at them, you can see these are all the information of them. And if you want to contact them, here will be a contact page also that you can contact them from here. Yeah. So yeah, this is basically 15 open source programs, although there are many open source program present, but I chose 15 of them because they are mostly famous and used. I will be giving these program links in the description below, so that you can check them out yourself. And the most important thing is that if you want to apply to any of these programs, make sure to start contributing before applying. All right, so if you are starting contributing at the time of applying, you will not be selected, as far as I know, because they want people, especially some of the programs like MLH Fellowship, Outreachy, Google Summer of Code, they want people who are active contributor, not just the people who are starting from the who started contributor when they applied for these programs. So they don't want these people. Instead, you have to have some kind of previous contribution, and after that you can apply for this program. It will be easy for them to select you in any organization, and you will make a name in them. So yeah, they will pay you, but the most important thing is that don't keep money in mind if you are applying for this. Make sure to have some kind of open source contribution before applying, and then it will be easy for you to select it, and then you can get a stipend also. All right, so yeah, you can apply to any of these programs, and all of them are very good, and you will get a lot of value from it in terms of money or in terms of knowledge. All right, so yeah, so I hope you liked and understood this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I will try to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.